Welcome to this complete skincare cleaning session. In today's treatment, we will focus on deep cleansing, pore purification, blackhead and whitehead care, dead skin removal, and total skin relaxation. Step 1. Skin analysis. The first step in any skincare treatment is a careful skin analysis. The skin is closely examined to identify oil levels, dry or flaky areas, blackheads or whiteheads, acne or sensitivity, open or clogged pores. This analysis helps determine whether the skin is oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, allowing the treatment to be customized safely and effectively. Step 2. Hair protection and hygiene. Before beginning the cleansing process, the hair is secured using a headband or disposable cap, hands are thoroughly washed, or clean gloves are worn to maintain hygiene. This step prevents contamination and ensures a safe and professional skincare environment. Step 3. Makeup removal. If makeup is present, it must be removed completely before cleansing. A gentle makeup remover or micellar water is applied using soft cotton pads. The product is gently swept across the face, eyes, and lips without pulling or rubbing the skin. This step allows the skin to breathe and prepares it for deeper cleansing. Step 4. Pre-cleansing massage. A light pre-cleanser is applied to the skin. Using slow, circular motions, the face is gently massaged. This massage improves blood circulation, softens surface impurities, relaxes facial muscles. It also enhances absorption in the next cleansing steps. Step 5. Cleanser application. A cleanser is selected based on the skin type: gel cleanser for oily skin, cream cleanser for dry skin, mild, soap-free cleanser for sensitive skin. The cleanser is worked into a soft foam and gently massaged across the face, neck, and jawline. Step 6. Deep cleansing massage. The deep cleansing massage focuses on problem areas such as forehead, nose, chin, cheeks. Gentle pressure is used to loosen dirt, oil, and impurities trapped inside the pores. This step is slow, calming, and highly effective for pore purification. Step 7. Steam therapy. Warm steam is applied to the face for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. Steam helps to open clogged pores, soften blackheads, improve skin circulation. For sensitive skin, steam time is reduced to avoid irritation. Step 8. Blackhead softening product. After steaming, a blackhead softening gel or lotion is applied. This product is concentrated on areas such as the nose and chin, where blackheads commonly appear. It helps loosen hardened sebum inside the pores. Step 9. Gentle extraction. Using sanitized tools or clean fingers wrapped in gauze, blackheads and whiteheads are gently extracted. No excessive pressure is applied, only loosened impurities are removed to avoid skin damage or redness. This step requires patience, care, and professional technique. Step 10. Soothing toner. A calming toner is applied immediately after extraction. The toner helps close pores, reduces redness, restores skin balance. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and calm. Step 11. Exfoliation. A mild exfoliant or enzyme peel is applied to remove dead skin cells. Gentle circular motions are used for 2 to 3 minutes. This step improves skin texture and promotes a brighter complexion. Step 12. Rinse and dry. The face is rinsed thoroughly with lukewarm water. The skin is gently patted dry using a soft towel. Rubbing is avoided to prevent irritation. Step 13. Face mask application. A face mask is chosen based on the skin's needs: clay mask for oily or acne-prone skin, hydrating mask for dry skin, calming mask for sensitive skin. The mask is evenly applied, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Step 14. Relaxation period. The mask is left on for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the skin absorbs nutrients, the mind relaxes, the facial muscles release tension. This is a key moment for ASMR and relaxation content. Step 15. Mask removal. The mask is gently removed using a damp sponge or soft towel. Lukewarm water is used to ensure comfort and cleanliness. Step 16. Serum application. A nourishing serum is applied to the skin. Common serums include vitamin C for brightness, hyaluronic acid for hydration, niacinamide for pore care. The serum is pressed into the skin using light tapping motions. Step 17. Facial massage. A facial massage is performed using upward and outward movements. This massage enhances circulation, improves skin firmness, promotes natural glow. It also helps relieve facial tension. Step 18. Eye cream. A small amount of eye cream is applied around the eye area. Gentle tapping motions are used to reduce dark circles, puffiness, fine lines. The delicate eye area is treated with extra care. Step 19. Moisturizer. A suitable moisturizer is applied to lock in hydration. The moisturizer protects the skin barrier, maintains softness, prevents moisture loss. It is evenly blended across the face and neck. Step 20. Sunscreen. Daytime care. For daytime treatments, sunscreen is applied as the final step. A broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher helps protect the skin from harmful UV rays and premature aging. Step 21. Cooling compress. After the main cleansing steps, A cool compress is gently placed on the face. This helps to calm the skin, reduce redness, soothe open pores. The cooling sensation instantly relaxes the skin and prepares it for recovery. Step 22. Pore tightening solution. A pore tightening solution is applied using soft cotton pads. This step helps minimize the appearance of enlarged pores and restores a smoother skin texture. The skin begins to feel firmer and more balanced. Step 23. Oxygenation massage. An oxygenating cream or gel is applied to the skin. Using slow, rhythmic motions, the product is massaged into the face. This technique boosts oxygen flow to skin cells, improving brightness and vitality. Step 24. Lymphatic drainage massage. A gentle lymphatic massage is performed. This massage reduces puffiness, removes toxins, improves circulation. Light upward strokes are used to encourage natural detoxification. Step 25. Antibacterial treatment. An antibacterial solution is carefully applied to acne-prone areas. This step helps prevent breakouts, reduces inflammation, and protects freshly cleaned pores from infection. Step 26. Spot treatment application. Targeted spot treatments are applied where needed. These treatments focus on active pimples, red or inflamed areas, healing post-extraction spots. Only small amounts are used to avoid irritation. Step 27. Skin repair serum. A skin repair serum is applied to support healing. Ingredients such as peptides, ceramides, or panthenol help strengthen the skin barrier and speed up recovery. Step 28. Calming gel layer. A calming gel is layered over the serum. This gel provides instant hydration, cooling comfort, reduced sensitivity. The skin feels refreshed and deeply soothed. Step 29. LED or light therapy. Optional. Optional LED light therapy may be used. Blue light helps reduce acne bacteria. Red light supports collagen and healing. This step is gentle, non-invasive, and relaxing. Step 30. Neck and jawline care. Attention is given to the neck and jawline. Products are applied using upward strokes to improve firmness, prevent sagging, balance facial contours. This step ensures complete facial harmony. Step 31. Hydrating mist. A fine hydrating mist is sprayed over the face. This mist locks in moisture and gives the skin a fresh, dewy finish. Step 32. Skin balance check. The skin is carefully observed once again. Any signs of redness, dryness, or sensitivity are noted. Adjustments are made if needed to maintain comfort and safety. Step 32. Skin balance check. The skin is carefully observed once again. Any signs of redness, dryness, or sensitivity are noted. Adjustments are made if needed to maintain comfort and safety. Step 35. Hand pressure relaxation. Light pressure is applied to facial pressure points. This helps relieve stress and promotes deep relaxation. Step 37. Client comfort pause. A brief pause is given for the skin to rest. Soft breathing guidance may be provided during this moment to enhance calmness. Step 39. Post-treatment care explanation. Simple aftercare instructions are explained, such as avoid touching the face, stay hydrated, avoid sun exposure immediately. This helps protect the results.
Step 40. Treatment completion. The skincare cleaning session is now complete. The skin feels renewed, balanced, and deeply cleansed. A healthy glow is visible, and the skin is ready to rest and recover.
Step 40. Treatment completion. The skincare cleaning session is now complete. The skin feels renewed, balanced, and deeply cleansed. A healthy glow is visible, and the skin is ready to rest and recover.